Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am sharing the different amazing tiny home designs. In this video you are looking to live a more sustainable lifestyle and you want to save money on housing or just want to simplify your life and you want to living in a tiny home can be an excellent choice. Yeah, of course. Are you looking for inspirations for your next home project? And do you want to see more amazing tiny home designs? Then this video is for you because tiny homes are a popular housing trend that has been gaining the traction in recent years. These small and the compact homes are perfect for those who want to live in a more sustainable lifestyle. And you can save the money on housing or simplifying the downsizing. In this video series, we will explore the world of the tiny home designs and provide you with all the information maximum near about you need to know about building your own tiny homes. We will cover the topics such as how to build and the different prefab homes and different shipping container and mobile homes and others homes towards like our in this video a different expert advice architectures and the builders who specialize in the tiny home designs and constructions. We will also showcase some of the most innovative and create tiny home designs from around the world. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and comment this. And you want to this type of series of video, you can comment in this video. Whether you are looking to build your own tiny home or just want to learn more about these existing trends in housing, our YouTube channel and series is a perfect place to start. Yeah, you want to know about the different advantages of the tiny homes. If you want, are you looking for ways to simplify your life? And you want to learn more about the benefits of living in a tiny homes? Then discuss about the living in a tiny homes. Come with me. And different many benefits you see that. Number 1, reduce the carbon footprint. Tiny homes are extremely efficient and use much less energy to heat and cool, which can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and help the environment. Second advantage is the lower cost is very important factors and benefits. Everybody want to lower cost. The average cost of the tiny homes is much lower than that of the traditional home, which means you will be able to save the thousands of dollars on the housing. Number 3, and the minimalist lifestyles. Living in a small house allow you to simplify your entire life and live much more efficiently with less. With each atom in your tiny homes having a specific and the functional purpose. And the fourth advantage is the flexibility, is a more eye-catching advantages. The tiny homes are often mobile. That's a good, and this is a strength of this housing, which means that you can edit the place them on the solid foundation.